How to find SHEIN item code. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. This video we will learn how we can find SHEIN item code. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to shein.com. If you are not logged in, make sure to log in. Now from the SHEIN homepage, you have to scroll through it and explore the product. After that, you have to select the product that you want to view the code for. So once you're on the product page, you have to scroll through it and search for the description option. Keep on scrolling, and here it is, the description. If you click on it, and here you have further description about the product, its style, occasion, element, gender, color, material, and on below that there is a code that says SKU. So on SHEIN, SKU is the product code. So from here you can find the product code under the description. So that's the way to find item code on SHEIN, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.